Alright. Alright, very good. How about Colleen? No? Why?
I hate to.
Go.
This one? I'll go down the pole.
I'll go down the pole. Come on. Where's the pole?
Over here.
Wait.
The papers will take.
Oh, wait. Okay, go down the pole. Clean. Alright.
Try again. Me too. Whoa. Make sure you don't step on me, dude. Ow!
What happened?
It hit my head. Well.
Okay, go on the slide. Go on the slide. This one. Hurry.
Oh, you go. I'm gonna get. Okay.
Go, Colleen. Alright.
I'm gonna. That's my favorite slide.
Hurry.
Here I come!
Alright.